The doom scrollers are out in full force today. Headlines are screaming that national home prices just dipped into negative territory for the first time in 2 years. They want you to think the floor is falling out. But here's the truth. This isn't a crash. It's a strategic sale. Look at what the big players are doing. Leonard, one of the nation's biggest builders, just admitted to cutting their average sales price by 10%, dropping from $430,000 to $386,000. They aren't doing this because they're failing. They're doing it because they're the only ones who can buy affordability for you by using massive incentives to boost their deliveries. If this were a real crash, you'd see desperate sellers slashing prices everywhere. But look at the data. 2025 is the highest delisting year on record. Sellers are pulling their homes off the market at a rate of 45% higher than last year. They aren't panicking, they're waiting like sharks. This means the supply of available homes stays tight, which acts as a massive floor for your home's future value. Now, let's get some perspective. Prices have softened by about 1.4% in the last 3 months. But remember, we're still 44% higher than we were in March of 2020. This dip is a tiny ripple in a massive ocean of equity. For a buyer, this is a rare chance to use builder incentives to lock in a price that actually makes sense while the rest of the world is too scared to look at the math. Don't let a 1% headline scare you out of a 44% equity play. The builders are offering the discounts the existing market won't. This is the re-entry window we've been waiting for. Buy the builder discount, hold the equity floor. And that's the real deal from Joy.